Today, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to new topics in itch.io in just a few quick steps. If you use itch.io to follow discussions, game jams, devlogs, or community posts, this is a simple way to make sure you do not miss new topics when they are posted. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. Now let's get started. First, open the itch.io website in your browser and make sure you are signed into your account. You need to be logged in so your subscription settings can be saved properly. Once you are on the itch.io homepage, look at the top menu bar and click Community. This will take you to the Community section where forum-style topics and discussions are listed. After the Community page loads, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see an option that says Subscribe to New Topics. Click that button, and this will enable you to follow new community topics as they are created. In some cases, the site may prompt you to confirm the subscription action, so if you see any pop-up or confirmation message, just approve it to finish the process. Once that is done, your subscription is active. That means itch.io will now keep you updated on new topics in the community area, helping you stay connected without needing to check manually all the time. This is especially useful if you are part of active discussions or if you want to keep an eye on updates from developers and creators you follow. And that's it. You've now learned how to subscribe to new topics in itch.io. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you time and help you stay on top of new conversations. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.